Technology has transformed how the food industry works, from smart kitchens and digital supply chains to self-service kiosks and app-based ordering. But as innovation grows, so does a new responsibility: managing the end of life of these technologies in a sustainable, responsible way. Across restaurants, grocery stores, and distribution centers, technology is everywhere. Smart refrigeration, digital scales, and app-based ordering platforms keep operations running efficiently. Yet with every upgrade comes a question: what happens to the old tech? Each new device replaced adds to a growing mountain of discarded electronics that the food industry can no longer ignore. The food industry is one of the most technology-dense sectors in the world. Thousands of devices, from checkout screens to GPS trackers, operate daily. Yet frequent upgrades and software changes shorten equipment lifespans. Many businesses simply store outdated tech or discard it improperly, creating a continuous flow of electronic waste that could otherwise be recovered and reused. When electronics are tossed out carelessly, the consequences reach far beyond the trash bin. These devices often contain hazardous materials, lead, mercury, and cadmium, that leach into soil and groundwater. Even small gadgets contain valuable metals like copper and gold, lost forever when not recycled. For a sector rooted in health and food safety, ignoring the environmental impact of e-waste undermines public trust and the very values it promotes. Sustainable tech disposal isn't just about compliance, it's about integrity. Customers today care deeply about how brands protect the planet. When restaurants and food suppliers embrace responsible disposal and recycling, they strengthen their reputation and consumer loyalty. Partnering with licensed recyclers, adopting take-back programs, and publicly reporting recycling efforts all demonstrate accountability and leadership in environmental stewardship. The food industry can help close the loop by embracing circular practices. Instead of discarding used electronics, they can be repurposed, refurbished, or recycled into new materials. A tablet replaced in one store could train employees in another. By partnering with vendors who support reuse and repair, businesses extend the life of their tech, cutting costs while reducing environmental impact. Sustainability starts with people. Employees are the front line of tech handling, from chefs using tablets to drivers managing GPS systems. When trained to recognize e-waste and follow recycling protocols, their small actions lead to big results. Clear signage, scheduled pickups, and simple communication can transform everyday routines into sustainable habits. No single company can tackle this challenge alone. Industry associations and food councils can organize collective recycling drives and negotiate recycling partnerships. Pooling resources allows even small businesses to recycle effectively and affordably. By working together across supply chains and competitors, the food sector can set a united example for sustainable tech management. As the food industry continues to digitize, responsible disposal will become more essential than ever. Smart sensors, AI systems, and connected appliances are transforming operations, but they must also be managed responsibly once they reach the end of their life. By designing for recyclability and working with licensed recyclers, the industry can lead the global shift towards circular, low-impact technology. The food sector's innovation doesn't stop at the kitchen. It extends to how we protect the planet. To learn how your business can responsibly recycle outdated technology, reach out to R2 Recycling. Together, we can make every upgrade sustainable, because every recycled device keeps the world a little cleaner and our future a little brighter.